sir.
Yes, good morning,
Good morning, sir.
Sushant sir. Yes, I am good. How about you?
I'm also good, sir.
Okay, shall we start our today's session?
Yes, sir.
With which topic you are going to kickstart our today's session? I mean, with listening or with reading?
Uh, Listening, sir.
Listening. Okay, go ahead. Tell me what did you listen yesterday or today?
Listening.
Hmm.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, can you repeat the question?
Yes, I said with which topic you are going to kickstart our today's session? With listening or with
Sir,
reading?
your voice is breaking, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now, sir?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Yes, I was just saying with which topic you are going to kickstart our today's session? With reading or with listening? Which about you
With
would
the
like to speak first?
listening.
Listening. Okay, go ahead and
Yes,
elaborate
sir.
the things whatever you prepared.
Sir, yesterday, sir, I had watched one video
Hmm.
on a topic called "Can Money Buy Happiness?"
Hmm.
So, in this video, sir, I had watched.
Hmm.
Uh, it's totally it's a personal perspective of person. It depends on a person to person
Hmm.
or his thinking. So, sir, in a broader way, we can say that for
Hmm.
multiple person, money can buy happiness.
Hmm.
Because if we have money, so we can purchase or can get anything.
Hmm.
We can spend our money according to our needs,
Hmm.
and we can buy the things, whatever things we want.
Hmm.
But the other scenario of the case is
Hmm.
money also cannot buy the happiness.
Hmm.
Money cannot give us a mental peace. We
Hmm.
have a multiple examples of people having so much money,
Hmm.
but despite of having so much money, they could not buy. They could not buy their health.
Hmm.
For example, we have the example of a famous stockbroker Rakesh Jhunjhunwala.
Hmm.
He had a great amount of property or wealth. So
Hmm.
despite of being having so much wealth,
Hmm.
um, he could not proper take care of his health.
Hmm.
So and multiple people we are have
Hmm.
we are having
Hmm.
they have a great degrees like IIT and IIM,
Hmm.
but they still choose the pathway of a monk.
Hmm.
So the video was all about that.
Hmm.
So sir, in by concluding the video, we can say that the money for many people, sir, money cannot buy happiness,
Hmm.
and for multiple people, money also can buy happiness.
Hmm. Yes.
So the that was the confusion, sir.
Hmm. It depends on person to person, right?
Yes, yes.
Now, quickly tell me about your reading portion, whatever you read.
Sir, I have read the paragraph on uh, uh, paragraph on importance of friendship in our life.
Hmm.
So, sir, I think, sir, we should have friends in our life, at least 2 to 3 friends.
Hmm.
So, sir, we can share whatever in our mind with them.
Hmm.
So, having a friends is a great blessing
Hmm.
which are available.
Hmm.
Uh, we should at least make 2 3 friends in our life. So, in our tough time,
Hmm.
we can call them or sir, we can ask them to help us,
Hmm.
and sir, we can have a bond with them
Hmm.
if we motivated in
Hmm.
life or any hardship in life. So at that time,
Hmm.
there should be a one person
Hmm.
in life
Hmm.
should be available with, so we can call him at any time
Hmm.
and share our all feelings with him,
Hmm.
and we can relax our mind by sharing the things with him.
Hmm.
And sir, the friends can be our philosopher and guide as well.
Hmm.
So you know, sir, multiple ways they can
Hmm.
guide us. So what pathway we choose or what pathway we
Hmm.
shouldn't.
Hmm.
So, sir, having and maintaining a strong bond with a friend, it
Hmm.
may be a great asset for us.
Hmm.
So that was priority of
Okay, perfect. Well spoken. Today we are going to do sentence formation. I'll give you vocabularies. You will frame sentences around that. Okay. Wait a minute.
okay.
Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. These are normal vocabularies. Okay. You have to frame lengthy sentences using it. You can see the word is adapt. You are well familiar with the meaning of the word adapt, right? You can say
Yes, sir.
where and how can we use it. I quickly adapt new environments, right? Whenever I go to new place, I quickly adapt new environments. A lengthy sentence: when I joined a new office, it took me a week to adapt the work culture and team style. Did you get what I'm trying to make you understand?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Hmm. In which kind of situation you can use the word adapt if you forget while speaking, when facing changes or new conditions, right? When you have to adjust somewhere, when you have to learn something from a place, that time you can use this word, right? You need to adapt to change instead of resisting it. Now your what is your work? You have to frame sentences using these words. This word adapt. Frame one
Thank you, sir.
sentence.
Thank you, sir. Sir, Mr. I think, sir, Mr. Washington Sundar
Hmm.
was new in Indian cricket team. He was
Hmm.
from the Tamil Nadu,
Hmm.
and and sir, he took some time to adopt in a new situation.
Hmm. Very good sentence. One more using the same word adapt. It would be more good if you
So,
can relate it with your own life.
okay, okay, okay.
Hmm.
Sir, being a new in a taxation field,
Hmm.
taxation field,
Hmm.
uh, I took many weeks
Hmm.
to adopt the situation in the adopt the complicated situation in a that domain.
Hmm. Okay. One more.
Uh, so being the adaptable to the new situation will be the great quality.
Hmm. It's a good sentence, but it sounds like it's a quote. You have read it somewhere, right?
No, sir, no.
Okay.
It may be a quote. I don't know.
Okay, it seems like a quote, but no issue. Sentence was great.
Okay.
Next word is participate. Frame sentences using the word participate. Hmm.
Uh, I have participated in a multiple discussion and debate competition
Hmm.
when I was in the school.
Hmm.
So it gives me a great quality like
Hmm.
fearless,
Hmm.
uh, fearless,
Hmm.
and it has also enhanced my stage
Hmm.
theory.
Okay. One more using the same word. participate.
Sir, sir, we should always participate in a multiple
Hmm.
uh, discussions, meetings,
Hmm.
meetings
Hmm.
which conducted in our uh, whi- which happens in our day-to-day
Hmm.
life.
Hmm. Hmm. Very good sentence.
Uh,
Next word is assume. You know the meaning of it? Frame one sentence using the word assume.
we should not we should not assume the um, the we should not assume how the person in front of us
Hmm.
uh, looks like, or whatever is the his thinking.
Hmm. Okay.
Uh,
Hmm.
Sir, while solving the mathematical problem at my school days, we have to assume the multiple things
Hmm.
and theorems.
Hmm. Perfect. One more.
Uh,
Your
Sir, we
sentence.
cannot 100%
Hmm.
assume the
Hmm.
we cannot 100% assume the capability of opponents.
Opponent. Yes. Very good sentence. Perfect sentence. Next word is resist. You are framing good short sentences. Try to expand it. Try to create little bit more lengthy sentences. Okay. The word is resist. Frame sentence using it.
This is sir, Sir, Maharana Pratap successfully resisted the Mughal Empire
Hmm.
uh, uh, for protecting his kingdom.
Protecting the kingdom. Okay.
Uh,
Resist means the thing which you cannot deny. Like you can see the example. I cannot resist eating chocolates. Means मैं अपने आप को चॉकलेट खाने से रोक नहीं सकता हूँ. But when you are talking about Maharana Pratap, it's about fight. He dominated there. Am I right?
okay, okay.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Uh, Let me, sir. Sir,
Hmm.
can you explain?
Yes. Yes.
Sir, can you explain the meaning of resist again?
रेसिस्ट. रेसिस्ट मतलब आप हिंदी में आप ऐसे समझ
Uh,
सकते हो कि जो कोई ऐसा चीज जो जिसको आप जो है जो जिसको आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हो. जैसे मान लो आपको कुछ खाने का मन कर रहा है. आप भले ही डाइट पे हो. आप अपने आप को
अच्छा,
रोक नहीं पाते हो. राइट. I have shown you, that's
अच्छा,
why examples you can see. Even though I was on a diet, but I could not resist my mom's handmade sweets. मैं डाइट पे तो था लेकिन मैं अपने आप को रोक नहीं सका मेरे माता जी ने जो स्वीट्स बनाए थे उसको खाने से. राइट. सिचुएशन व्हेन यू कंट्रोलिंग टेम्पटेशन और प्रेशर. Right. When you have to control your temptation, your desire, or any kind of pressure, that time you can use the word resist. I cannot resist myself to attend that webinar, right? Because that webinar is going to be super helpful for me. Okay.
Sir, when I saw the
Hmm.
boys
Hmm.
playing on the ground,
Hmm.
uh, I cannot, I could not resist to play with them.
Hmm. At that moment or at that time, I could not
Yes,
resist myself to play with them.
sir.
Perfect. Repeat this sentence once again.
Sir, when I saw the boys were is playing on the ground.
Hmm.
At that moment, I could not resist myself to play with them.
Perfect. Very good sentence. Next word is analyze. Keep looking at its synonyms as well. I am telling you these normal words, right? Analyze. But when you look at its synonyms, you can enrich your vocabulary, right? You can adjust it according to your need. When you have to talk in front of good people, that time you can use these words. When you have to talk normally,
Okay.
that time you can use the normal word analyze, right? Because we all are well familiar with analyze word. But whenever we see
Yes, sir.
these kind of little bit modern or advanced vocabularies, we start thinking what does it mean. But if you will focus on to these, you will keep learning. Don't worry, we will talk about it later on. But for now, frame sentence using the word analyze.
Uh, sir, sir, before playing matches in the front of strong opponents like
Hmm?
Australia and New Zealand,
Hmm?
as a captain, Shubman Gill, first of all, he analyzed the situation and then make the strategy.
Very good sentence. One more using the same word analyze.
Uh, sir, by analyzing the income source of the income source of the peoples in a country,
Hmm?
country government take the decision according to that.
Very good sentence. Perfect. Next word is explore. Frame sentence using the word explore.
So we should always try to explore the as much as new things in our
Now continue, please.
we should sir in our life we should always try to explore the new things in our
Hmm?
life.
Hmm? Okay. One more.
Sir,
Little bit
exploration,
lengthy.
sir, maybe, sir, explore, exploration
Hmm?
is the uh, great power or habit of a person
Hmm?
which can lead to various innovations.
Very good sentence. Next word is compare. You are well familiar with this word. Frame a beautiful sentence using the word compare.
Sir, in our life, sir, parents always used to compare the uh,
Hmm?
core competence and capabilities of her
Hmm?
child with another child.
Yes, true. Very good sentence. One more using the same word compare.
Uh, uh, we should not compare the two different things
Hmm?
having different abilities.
Yes, very good sentence. Uh, talk like can you relate it with your own life? Compare or comparison?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Relate it.
Sir, at the time of school days, sir, I always used to compare the my grade with
Hmm.
another person, despite of having different by I said to approach that subject.
Hmm. Yes, very good sentence. Next word is achieve. Frame sentence using the word achieve.
Sir, you are not audible.
I am not audible. 1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible now.
I don't know what happens sometimes. Okay, then continue, please. Yes, continue, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, I said continue, please.
You are not audible, sir. Ah,
Hmm. Am I audible now?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, please continue now. Next word is achieve. Frame sentence using the word achieve.
Okay.
Hmm.
Sir, Abhishek Sharma achieved the uh, high grade of high grade of quality in such a less time.
Hmm. Okay. One more.
And sir, multiple times, sir, uh, I saw the target given by my manager,
Hmm.
uh, which I think I, I may not achieve, but after analyzing the situation,
Hmm.
I successfully achieved those targets.
Very good sentence. Next word is select. Frame sentence using the word select.
So in our lives of selection of the right mentor who will
Hmm.
become the guiding force for our decision is mandatory.
Mandatory. Very good. One more using the same word select.
While investing the money in various stocks,
Hmm.
the stock selection is the primary key.
Primary.
Key.
Okay. Primary key. Very good sentence. If I say you to frame sentence using the word pick, P-I-C-K, how what would you frame?
Pick.
Pick. Yes. P-I-C-K.
Sir, when I went to the market,
Hmm.
uh, I picked the 4 to 5 vegetables
Hmm.
that I had not eaten in my life.
Hmm. I had not eaten in my life.
Eat in my life.
Hmm.
Eaten.
Eaten in my life. Perfect sentence. Next word is convince. Frame one sentence using the word convince.
Sir,
Hmm.
uh, sir, sir, parents are always parents are always try to convince their child
Hmm.
regarding the decision
Hmm.
which they feels he is not thinking in a right way.
Hmm. Okay. Very good sentence. One more.
Sir, sir, at the time of my sir, many times, sir, when a close friend fought to
Hmm.
together,
Hmm.
so we should properly convince whatever we thinking about him
Hmm.
on our mind to him. It's necessary to solve the problem.
Hmm. Okay. Very good. If I say you to frame sentence using the word persuade, what would you frame?
Persuade.
Hmm. Persuade.
But I don't know the meaning of persuade.
Persuade means same, convincing, influencing. I have written down. It is synonym of convince. Persuade means हिंदी में
Okay,
आप
okay,
कह सकते हो कि राजी करना, right? Speak in a way
okay,
that persuade your listeners to listen you
okay,
attentively, right? आप इस वे में बोलो कि आपके सुनने वालों को वो persuade करे आपको और सुनने के लिए, attentively सुनने के लिए,
okay.
right?
Hmm. Sir, I per, sir, when I went to the venture,
Hmm.
when I went to raise fund for my company to the venture capitalist,
Hmm.
I persuade to them to invest in my startup.
Okay, very good sentence. Next word is inspire. Frame sentence using the word inspire.
Inspire.
Hmm.
Sir, sir, Bhagat Singh inspired me a lot in my life to
Hmm.
take me a hard decision,
Hmm.
hard dis- hard decisions.
Hmm. One more using the same word inspire.
Sir, we should maintain the one inspirational person
Hmm.
in our lifetime, so he will keep motivating ourselves to do the new things.
टू डू न्यू थिंग्स. ओके, वेरी गुड. एक चीज मैंने आपको नोटिस किया है, आप जब बोलते हो न्यू थिंग्स तो आप उसको रिपीट करते हो, न्यू लिटिल लिटिल दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, राइट? तो जब आप ये सब बोलो तो
हाँ
एक ही बार यूज करो. आप स्लोली भी बोलते हो तो आप स्लोली स्लोली बोलते हो. एक बार आप बोलोगे
हाँ
उसका मीनिंग वही है. अगर स्लोली बोलते टाइम आप फ्लो में बोल जाते हो स्लोली स्लोली, आप उसको रिप्लेस कर सकते हो ग्रेजुअली के साथ में. ग्रेजुअली मतलब भी स्लो होता है, राइट? Gradually you will
अच्छा
make progress or slowly you will make progress.
अच्छा
Both meaning are same,
अच्छा
right?
अच्छा
Hmm. And yeah, I'm increasing one more task. As you are reading every day, at least 3 to 4 words you will write down every single day. Okay, in your notebook, or you can write it down in your digital notepad. कहीं पे भी आपको जहाँ पे भी लिखना हो.
ओके ओके
You will figure out its meaning
अच्छा
by yourself. Okay, you will understand what does
ओके
it
ओके
mean, and next day I will ask you about those vocabularies which you have written down. Okay.
ओके ओके
And one more thing, on Friday, I did not mention in the beginning, but on Friday, you come up with different topics. Every day from Monday to Thursday, we talk upon different topics, we do different kind of activities. But on Monday, you come up with a topic to speak continuously 30 minutes. आपकी आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ये कि आप कौन सा टॉपिक डिसाइड करते हो बोलने के लिए. ठीक, कोई भी रैंडम टॉपिक आप डिसाइड कर सकते हो, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट. ठीक है. You can talk
ओके
about
ओके
books, you can talk about yourself, you can talk about any random topic whatever you want. ठीक है. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक टॉपिक आपने चूज किया उसके ऊपर ही 30 मिनट बोलना है. अगर आप कैपेबल हो तो आप बोलोगे, नहीं कैपेबल हो, आपके पास 3 4 टॉपिक्स हैं, आप एक के ऊपर 5 मिनट बोलो, दूसरे के ऊपर 5 मिनट बोलो, 10 मिनट बोलो, ऐसे. ठीक है.
ओके
Hmm. So on Friday
ओके
we will be doing this and tomorrow we will do different activities. आज जो भी मैंने vocabularies आपको बोला बहुत ज़्यादा advanced vocabularies नहीं थे. These are the normal
नहीं
vocabularies which you understand, I
हाँ
understand, everyone can understand, right? But most of the time
यस
you don't use it in your speaking when you are speaking, right?
ओके
Hmm. So you will focus on these things, and yeah, we will do different activities tomorrow. That's all for today's session. Now we will meet tomorrow. Okay.
यस सर
Okay. Have a beautiful day ahead, sir.
थैंक यू सर